I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on the Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, this is very simple. Just launch the Google Play Store. And if you don't know how to set up the Play Store on this phone, then I'll link a video down in the description. Anyway, in the Google Play Store, simply go and search Google Chrome. And then from the results, you will see Google Chrome LLC by Google LLC, I mean. So you can go ahead and download and install that app. It's really that simple. Once it's done, you can launch Google Chrome and set it up with your Google account. There you go. So there's Google Chrome right on the Xiaomi 17 Pro. It doesn't come pre-installed on the phone, but that's how you can get it, especially if you get the Chinese version of this phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.